Bonjour, today I'm going to teach you how to do a pâte brisée or short crust pastry. But first, I'm Olivier, I'm a professional cook in France and in UK, and my channel is here to help you to succeed our recipe. I'm going to show you step by step restaurant recipe for you to do it at home with your family. So, to do the pâte brisée or the shortcut pastry, you need 250 grams of flours, a sieve, a bowl, 10 grams of water, 1 yolk egg, and 125 grams of butter cut in small pieces. Some salt, and a dough cutter. So first, you need to use the sieve with your flours to remove all the lump inside the flours, because as you can see, there is some things not very thin. All that need to disappear when you go in to pass on the sieve. See the difference between this one and this one? So this one is the one we wanted. So just do like that. It's not complicated, it's easy as usual. It's very important to do it properly. Okay, that is done. So now you have very nice flour. In this flour, I'm going to create a hole inside where I'm going to put my water, my yolk, I'm going to start to mix little bit together, little bit of salt, mix together, and I'm going to add my butter. All together. And now you're going to use your hands to mix all together. If you have a professional robot, you can use it as well. But I wanted to show you how to do it without any kind of expensive tools. So with your hands, you go like that, mix all together, till you end up with a bowl of flours and butter, water, and everything. So it's quite quick. I'm going to show you, it's not difficult to do it. Instead to buy it from the supermarket ready-made, you're going to have a better one for less price. See, now it's starting to melt all together. Voilà. So your butter need to be at room temperature as well. Like that is easier to mix it with the flours. See, it's almost done already. You almost finish your pâte brisée or short crust pastry. This recipe can be used for quiche Lorraine, pâté en croûte, or beef Wellington, you know, the pastry you put on top. Or you can use, if you put some sugar inside, you can use as base for any kind of tart. Tarte citron, tarte aux pommes, whatever you want. Voila. So we have a piece of pastry now, and I'm going to show you how to use the dough cutter. What you need to do, this is maybe the secret of the success of this pastry, is to do like that. Like that, you make all the ingredients together. Voilà. And now you put it back all together. And you do again a second time. Twice is enough. So if you don't have that, it costs almost nothing. I'm going to leave a link below. You can order that in Amazon. But it's very easy as well. You can cut your pasta, your dough, in very easy, very practical. But we use this one to finish our dough properly. Now your dough is done. You put it all together. As you can see, it's perfect. That is less 5 minutes. Now you need to put this dough in the coat film, plastic film, in the fridge till you want to use it. You can leave in the fridge 1 hour, 2 hours, or for the next day. But don't forget to remove from the fridge little bit in advance, otherwise it's going to be too hard to do your pastry. That's it. So that is a recipe step by step for the pâte brisée or shortcut pastry. And as usual, if you have any comment, put on below. There is a comment section for you to fill. And don't forget, if you like our video, push the thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell. If you have any questions about a recipe you don't know how to do it, or you struggle to do it, leave in the comment below, and I'm going to create a video step by step as I did for this one to explain to you the real technique to succeed each time. Bon appétit! À plus! Bye!